Okay, so we're gonna be walking, and I don't know if you can see this guy with a kayak. I didn't know that you could take kayaks in this area, but there's a guy right there, and I guess that means that you can take him around here, take him around Van Nam Lake. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna walk around this lake. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Loose boas are over there, and right there is the water. Whoa. Okay, so we're gonna walk down this really narrow little path in a minute. And I'll show you what this looks like. Whoa! So, okay, so we're gonna follow this. This is kind of a little path between the road and me. And I think there's another one on that side, but I wonder how many people walk over on that side. Probably not many. Since I have you here and you're kind of a captive audience, basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk all the way around this lake. So you can see some other kayakers there way in the distance. I'll probably be walking by them shortly. And you can walk all around this lake. It probably takes about an hour probably. And this is immediately under the bridge. And of course we're gonna keep on walking, and I'll turn it on in a minute when we get to somewhere. Okay, so I kind of captured a little bit. I'm in the kind of in the shade space right here. There's a kayaker right there. It looks like they're kayaking all the way around here. So it looks like they're coming all the way from this way, going around this, and then going around that, and then going back. So yeah, I don't know. It's kind of cool. I didn't realize they had kayaking here, but I guess they do. So yep. I think this particular one is going, he must be going all the way around the peripheral part, and then the other ones are just going, there's a dragon boat there too. So alright, we're gonna keep on walking down this way and around. I'm gonna be going around these buildings in a minute, so I'll probably show you when we get down in another spot. But anyways, there's a rather cool route system. Actually, that was the one that we just went around, this tiny little thing. And now that I'm getting some shade here, it's a little bit easier to photograph. So we're basically going to walk around all these weeds and a couple government buildings that are down here. These are our big roots. Big massive roots, right? Now we're kind of on this stretch of kind of highway. This is what it looks like to the side. This is where we just came from. And you can see the Macau Tower right there. And the sun is starting to come down a little bit. Might get some good sunset photos later. So on this side, these are just some old government buildings. Not old ones, new ones, but they look like a little bit scruffy. Beautiful windows though, wow. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk, I think we can walk through them, and the sun is a little bit bright on this side, so I'm going to get out of that sun. Here we go, Praça de Tribunal de Última Instancia. See? Some kind of law courts. So if you have any legal issues, this is probably where you'd end up at some point. And we can walk right through here. That water coming from? Some nice trees straight ahead, but we have to walk around. You can see some of the dragon boat people and kayaking, but we have to walk around these buildings. And it says Chinese and countries that speak, other countries that speak Portuguese. Okay, and then Macau Tower is right there. some of these trees right here. Okay. A lot of floodlights all around this building. See these floodlights right there? So just, I guess they're all pointed to go on these government buildings. Okay. So we have to walk through this little space, and it says toys. I was gonna actually put my camera over there, but then I saw a security person, so I think I better not. I'll just oh, these little lights right there. I guess I just hang them up on that space. If I get a chance and I see something low, right there. That's what's going on over there. Construction. And now we're exactly where I want to be, because we're Policia. Floodlights. And this is this beautiful view right here. So this goes all the way down. And I think we're gonna walk into that whole space down there, but you can have this whole view right here. So basically it's not too hard to walk all the way around this whole thing, but I hardly ever see anybody do it. Anyways, I'm gonna turn the camera off for a little bit, and then we're gonna go down in this space, and I think there's like a bunch of flowers there down there. We'll go find out in a second. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go down this little thing right here. So this little thing takes us down to the ground floor, and then we'll be right there. There it is. So we were just up there, and now we're down here. Look at the wiring. Not the best wiring, it's all exposed to the elements. Kind of defeats the point of having a case there, huh? Boyo right there. Must be a loose one that's just floating in there. Okay, so now we have, you can see me, and you can also see all of this right here. I can't go fishing, so there's no fish can be brought out of this. And this is kind of the pier here. All right, we'll turn this off, then we'll get down there and film again in the flower area. Okay, we're at the flower area. See how cool this looks. Wow, it's pretty cool. So Macau Light 29 Festival. Okay, they're getting set up for the festival. So I guess every year they have something a little bit different. So this year there's more of this. It's pretty cool. Wow. There's also a little bit of a mist coming from something over here. It's pretty cool. Okay. So we were way over here. The Macau Tower is way over that way, behind us, behind those palm trees right there. And these are all the flowers, so they're setting up some kind of exhibition. We're just gonna slowly walk by. And oh dang, there's something really cool right here too. I guess we'll have to leave the camera on and try to get to that spot. Okay, just show you a little bit of what's around here. Those are some dragon boats right there. With drums, those are some people that are getting ready. And another dragon boat. And I'm just gonna get a little bit closer to this right here. This is some kind of light show installation. I can't get any closer than this because there's this big thing right here. They're setting it up anyways. The lighting, I'm kind of going right into the sun, so let's just see. There we go. Macau Tower in the background. Flowers over there. And we have dragon boat people over here. And we got more dragon boat people over here too, so they're getting all ready for something. And there's the dragon boat over there. Okay, so I'll turn this off. But this is where they store all the boats, the dragon boat stuff. Okay, here we go. These are all the dragon boat stuff. And some kayak stuff too. I guess you can rent kayaks here, I didn't realize. There's the boats. There's the kayaks. There's the view. And they store them all in here. So they put them all in this space. Some of them have cases on them too. Okay. Pretty cool. There's some more. And then what I'm going to be doing in a minute is I'm going to be going up, because I can't go this way. This is kind of a safe space for this. Well, there's a connect over there, but we have to go up. So I'll go back. I'll go up too. Let's go see. Jump, 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 jump. Now we go back down again. All the way down. All right. There's some runners coming up this way. Looks like we're gonna start getting some good sunset photos in a second. He's putting up a sign that says no climbing. That sign says no climbing. I guess people try to climb it sometimes. Okay. So we're just gonna follow through here, get through this space. Okay. There's a giant art display up there, so we're gonna go there next. This looks like this has some kind of wiring to maybe anchor some things, maybe some boats, I don't know. Floodlights all the way up across here. Nice yellow color, which has kind of a good photo like that with the yellow gold. Okay. So, I don't know what that is. Definitely. I don't know what it is. We're just gonna keep following it. There's all these floodlights. This is on at nighttime. All these floodlights all the way down. So we're just gonna keep walking all the way down. There we go. Some boats that are parked right in this space. More ways to go up. And one guy just sitting in the boat. There's his hat. Nice to be photogenic in his water too, eh? Now we have some nice artwork right here. I like this artwork. So we're just gonna keep filming because I like the artwork that's all the way here. If you can see, there's kind of the same says factory, and you can kind of follow all the way down. I'm just gonna go all the way down. So we're gonna keep. So it's kind of a nice theme the whole way down. Kind of a golden theme. Not sure what they're talking about, but you know what they're talking about. Translator might be interesting. More of the same theme. Chicken theme. Okay, so we're gonna conclude this space. We're gonna go into this space. So okay, so we're gonna conclude in this space in a minute. I'm just gonna go through a little bit more art. But we basically walked around the lake. There's one other spot that we could walk over there too, but I'm gonna conclude it because this is the big bulk of it. And that particular space is, oops, both kids went down.
Come on.
So this space here, and there's some more artwork here. And we're gonna go all the way down in a second. We're gonna start in this space and, hello. And we're just gonna come down here. This is actually an autistic place. So giving makes me happy. So a lot of this artwork is from an autistic boy who lives in Macau, a teenager now. And we're going to conclude in this space. I think we're going to go straight down to this space and then we're going to go up and then that'll conclude this video. But this is basically where we were just at. I definitely want to film this little art space here too. So we got these guys right here. There we go. So this is kind of cool artwork. So I don't know if you saw some of this other artwork back there, but these were the same artwork people. Kind of interesting too, right? Sometimes people hang out here, they put their gloves here, all the workers. So we're gonna go up and I'll just show you the conclusion of this space. And it's right here. That's it.